Good day, my Stitchy family, and welcome to my channel, Stitcha-Rella. Today I'm bringing you an amazing unboxing from Newcraftday. That is www.newcraftday.com. Now I've got a lot to tell you, so please stay tuned. First of all, Newcraftday is a humongous shop. They've got a beautiful website. They sell all kinds of things like our favorite cross stitch, the newest beading cross stitches. They do diamond paintings and paint by numbers. Now they customize all those products and they sell all their tools and accessories. They also offer free shipping for over $59. And if you go on their site, there's also other things like tattoo stickers, the weaving series, epoxy molds, the 5-paint seal series, and the scrapbook series. Now, if you want to save a little bit more at Newcraftday, you use my discount code. That is RELA10 for extra 10% off. Now, today we are going to tell you about the Black Friday sale, and it is big and huge and humongous. Now the Black Friday sale, as you see there on the screen, it is now this whole sale, this what I'm telling you about now, it gets automatically discounted from your card. But wait, there's more discount. So if you spend $30, they will take $5 off. If you spend $50, they take $8 off. If you spend $70, they take $12 off. If you spend $100, you get $20 off. If you spend $150, you get $30 off. And if you spend $300, you get $60 off. That is humongous savings. That's automatic savings. Now, if you have a discount code, you can get that extra off. And the Black Friday discount code is BLACK10 for extra 10% off. Now, before we open this, people, I need to talk to you. I've been trying to get this message through, and it just did not go through. About the giveaway. Newcraftday is giving 3 of my subscribers a $10 gift voucher. Now that $10 gift voucher you can use next year if you want. You can use it anytime. Now on my Stitch Along, when I introduced you to it, I spoke about it a lot. I asked for you to leave your email. Now YouTube is not allowing that. So I've got no one's email. Someone made me aware of it, and it's a problem. So please, here it is. So under this video, just say yes me and send me your email address. Now the email address you can send to Stitcha-Rella7@gmail.com. It is in my description box. If you are part of my Facebook group, you can just private DM me your email address. I will give you chance until Sunday night. I'm going to send the 3 lucky winners to Newcraftday on Monday or Tuesday, but I will show you how I choose it. So I'll put the names on and we'll do a spin of the wheel, and 3 people will win a 10. It's a lucky giveaway, $10 voucher. You must just, the rules for this is there is something you have to do, and Newcraftday will check it. That email you get through to me. You must have a registered account at Newcraftday and they will check it. Now 3 people on Black Friday will receive the $10 voucher from Newcraftday. So please get that emails in. Comment under this video. The email address won't go. YouTube is not allowing it. So just say yes, you've sent it to me, or yes, you entering for the free giveaway, and make sure I get that email address. All right, so we've all said and done, and that was quite a lot, but I had to get it through to you guys. Look at this, and of course it's a cat. It is a beautiful, beautiful beaded one. Now, this one I can't open on the top because it came to me, a postage wrecked the package on the bottom. So I'm just going to slide it out where it is open already. I just adore this cat, so let's have a look at it. Alright, I think you've seen it. Let's have a look. Okay, it comes in this beautiful hard cotton envelope, and mine went open in the bag. So nothing's lost. It was just very open here. So we're just working from the bottom today. Now in the front's a beautiful cat. There is a barcoded sticker. It is a 9 count, 40 centimeters by 52 centimeters. You can use Google Translate. They do explain where the quality of the beads, the quality, they explain that basically if you want to read this. I've done this a million times. Alright, so of course you get your instruction leaflet in English. Very easy. Everyone that started beading before we started showing these, they love it. It is very enjoyable. Okay, so the pattern is 2 pages and the cat looks colorful. So I expect these beads to be beautiful. And we've got a separate page with our colors on, and our colors are 28 colors, 141 stitches by 148, 40 by 52 centimeters, 9 count. Now, I just want to explain this. This column, the first column, is the colors you're going to use. The second column is the symbols on your pattern. So what does that mean? It means you have to follow the symbols on your Ada. Please, please don't get confused. Just follow the symbols on your Ada. Alright, so let's just put this back. While I struggle with this, I will ask you, if it's the first time watching my videos, please hit the subscribe button. It's for free, and by doing that, you help me out a bunch. Also, if you like this video, hit the like button and leave me a comment. And if you want to qualify for that giveaway, please leave that comment and get your email address to me. There is many ways. Alright, so with these, you get a whole spool of beading thread. Must not pack this away, guys. I need to, before I forget, you must go to Facebook. They've got a wonderful Facebook page, very, very busy. You can see everyone's unboxing, so you can see the product. Right, here's the Ada. This one is not a glitter Ada, which I don't mind. It is beautiful white strong Ada. It is serged all the way around for our convenience, of course. Alright, so let me see here. On top of it, it's got a few things there that you can Google Translate. 9 count, 49 by 62 centimeters, it says there. And then here is your symbols you need to use. 28 of them. This is fabulous quality. Also, your needles are attached to your Ada. They are very good needles. There's 3 of them. And look at this beauty. This cat's just gonna look so pretty. I just love this. Very, very beautiful. The print is amazing. Everything is just top class. Now wait a bit, let me show you. Amazing, right? I love it. Very, very good product. Fantastic quality. Now, let's have a look at the beads. And you know, what do I always do with my beads? Oh, yes, I do. I look because I need to see if they're right and if everything is there. Now, we do have 28. And look at this. Oh, look at that blue. Oh, my golly gosh. Look how pretty that is. Oh, that's a nice blue. And that pink. Oh, they're pretty. Right, so let's do this. Okay, I'm sorry about that. You know, I was sick for 2 days and everyone's looking and I've got to put the phone soft, but we're good to go. So 6, 7, there's 9, 3, 10, okay, 2, okay, 10, 20 is gonna be there, 26 will be somewhere here, 15, 16, 1, 2, 3, oh, we short 4 and 5, 5, 6, 10. there we go. Jeez, I went all quiet for a second there. But in any way, they all here and they magnificent. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. They all here and they are magnificent. Let me show you these colors, people. They just beautiful. Look at the colors. There's a bit of a lost one there. Look at that. Amazing, amazing, amazing product. I absolutely adore this. This is fabulous. Now while I pack away, I want to take the opportunity to thank Newcraftday. You guys rock. This is amazing. Thank you so, so much. Then I want to remind you to go and make use of the Black Friday sale. It is big and humongous and fabulous. Also, remember to send me that email address. Please comment under the video that you are sending it to me so everyone can see who is subscribing. If you're not able to, you can also just let me know. But please let me know. Sunday night, I'm cutting it off. I'm doing the draw. I'll do a spin on the phone that spinner wheel thingy. I will do it on there so that everyone can see it is fair. Alrighty then. Then last thing. Thank you for always watching and supporting me. You guys really mean the world to me, and I mean that. Well, till next time, lots of love, Stitcha-Rella.